Hey, what's up YouTube? For you people that are curious about the HKS hard pipe kit for a Skyline R32, we're going to go ahead and unbox these today, take a look at them, install them, test the fitment, and see if we can feel a difference in performance and response like HKS claims. So stay tuned, let's dive in. Soft pipes. So we're going to have to go ahead and remove the soft intercooler piping here and here, and then I'm going to remove the bumper so we can get down into here as well as this side over here. We're going to be taking off this intercooler piping, soft pipe here, and we've got this opened up. Now we can get back here and remove this lower pipe as well. Upper one's already off, and the third one, of course, this guy here. So I'm going to pull those off, show you what it looks like, and then we'll reinstall the HKS. Got these soft pipes off from under in this area, as well as this side, and we'll do the reinstall. Go to arrow so you know which way the boost goes. These are all matched with the rubber one that came off. Now I was just doing a little bit of test fitting here, just kind of measuring how the hard piping fits against the factory steel pipe brackets that are mounted on the car, and you can see here they fit flawlessly. Perfect. All right, I've got this one all snug down, and in order to get the best results, to get the front mount intercooler pipes in, you need to loosen the bolts on each side of the intercooler and then bring the intercooler out to about here, and that allows you the wiggle room to slip each one of these pipes in. And mosquitoes are out here trying to eat me. So yeah, I'll snug these down. Still got to finish getting these two connected, which I'll probably do in the morning. I've been working pretty much all day. It's like 9 o'clock now, and the car still has quite a ways to go. But I'm gonna drop it off at Up Garage still tomorrow morning when I'm done. It's the next morning, it's about 8 o'clock. I've just had a cup of coffee, no shower. I'm back outside, and we are going to finish this up. The bottom intercooler piping is all connected. I still need to connect the upper. I need to pull the bumper off. I just kind of lightly put everything together because I don't want my parts sitting out in the open where they can be stolen. So here's a good look at the pipes in the morning, now that it's a little bit lighter out here. But you can see the build quality of this versus like the factory intercooler. It's like the same thickness. Pipe quality looks really good. You got your arrow because the charged air is coming into the intercooler going that way, so it's pretty self-explanatory for installation. I didn't even use the instructions. It's 4 pieces and some couplers and some hose clamps. It's not really rocket science. But the issue I'm having up top here is with this hard metal surface here and this hard aluminum surface here, it's really hard to get the pipe in. There's like no play because these fit within like 1 millimeter. So I'm going to use a little silicone spray. I'm going to spray the inside of this coupler. I'm going to slip it all the way down over the pipe, and then hopefully I can maneuver it over that. So let's try that on that side. We're going to do the same thing on this side. This one's all done. You can see the same thing. You got the arrow, the charged air, the cool air is coming out of the intercooler. I got my couplers set up so I can adjust them from the front with the bumper. These ones were a little tighter to get to back there, but I was able to do it with the stock blow-off valves. Kind of scratch this a little bit getting it in, but you're not going to see it. So let's get this finished up. I've got my pipe here, or my coupler. I'm going to get a little silicone in there, rub it all around, and do my best to use lubrication as my assistant. So my goal is to slip this over this entire hard pipe. Alright, so I've almost got it all the way on. That should be a lot easier for me to manipulate. And I'm sure the instructions in Japanese kind of give you some hints with this, but there's no English instructions that come with these in the box. Alright, and I was able to use a screwdriver, basically flathead down in here, to just kind of wiggle the bottom lip on there. So now I've got that in, I can try to manipulate the coupler up, which is going to be a pain in the ass. I had to take this back off and put more silicone on it because I can't really move it. But now you can see. You guys can see the size of the factory intercooler piping. Like, this is the same 80 millimeters all the way through, so I think this is the much better deal than getting that special piping that costs a ton more. But you can see it fits really good. Everything looks nice. I'm gonna straighten that out. That hose clamp's a little crooked, but let's do the other side and we're done. These boost clamps are really nice. They say Murray's cold steel on them, so they seem to be really high quality. I don't think they'll be popping off at all. Big thing I noticed is in the build quality of these HKS, you can tell that they're actually made in Japan. I'm pretty sure that the Greddy pipes for the Sylvia, I mean, you can see how this is like pressed. It's got like a divot versus this is all, you can tell this is like cast formed. And it's a lot thicker gauge. Like the thickness is just way beefier than this. See, I can see why these cost just as much as this whole intercooler kit did. Alright, I've got it on the lip now. I'm going to work it up over the intake manifold. Oh, that works so much easier. So for you guys that are thinking about doing this kit, make sure you use lubrication. I couldn't figure out how to do this last night, and I was like having trouble sleeping, thinking about how am I going to connect these. So hopefully these tips save you guys some time, because it cost me a little bit of sleep being worried that I wasn't going to be able to get these on there. But I figured there'd be an easy way. HKS Engineering, the way they build stuff, it always installs easily, so they come through with this just like they normally do. And I apologize, I didn't really get any footage of me installing the lower pipes yesterday just because of time limitations. I didn't have time to film it all because I'm trying to get the car done and in the up garage. They're expecting it today, like I was saying. Alright, these are all connected. I can snug these down for feel. The wrench got it pretty good. The battery can go back up and in. Alright, for you guys that were curious about the piping, here it is, all installed. Looks incredible. I have no concerns that this isn't going to easily hold 25 pounds of boost. and we'll test them when I get on the road here on the up garage, get on some boost and see if they feel more responsive like HKS claims over the soft pipes. But it fits good, fits just like factory, it looks good. So yeah, I am definitely happy with these. And like I said earlier, the trick on the bottom ones to get the wiggle room to install without having to use the slip trick is just loosen these two 12mm bolts, slide the intercooler out. I just propped it up on a box. That gave me enough wiggle room and manipulation to just easily slip those in. Those just took me a couple minutes to install last night. All right, we can get the mass airflow sensors and intakes put back in. And they are the same model number. I was always kind of curious if they were. Well, this is all buttoned up. Looks good. I can throw the front bumper on from the headlight project I'm doing at the same time, and then we'll be done. I just need to connect all these screws to the underbody. Set you guys down right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to really see any of it, but let's get her done. Well, I'm glad I went with these pipes because I wanted to retain this stock aluminum look, because I really like that OEM look of that aluminum intake or aluminum turbo outlet. I just like the way it looks like an rb26 with there versus having the HKS special piping which replaced all this. I think this looks good. It's about $900 less, which I like, and it keeps the engine looking more stock. So I think when I get this powder coated and this repowder coated, as well as my VCAM and the valve covers, I think I'm going to have them make this look pretty much all the same. I'm gonna powder coat this, and this all on like an unfinished aluminum, and then probably do this in like a cherry red like the R34, but like a texture powder coat. Let me know what you guys think. You can see with the way I did the fitment, I can reach all the fasteners for the couplers. Same thing on this side. Like I thought about, if anything came loose, being able to access that without having to take the front bumper off. It fits good. Thumbs up. First start up with the hard pipes in. All right, let's do a pull. All right, let's do a little pull here. Car's running good. I haven't programmed the boost control, so I'm only running wastegate pressure, which is like 7 psi roughly, so I don't really feel a difference in responsiveness. I'm sure as the boost level goes up, you'll be able to feel a more substantial difference because you won't have those pipes expanding, so it should give you better response when the turbos start to initially boost. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. I had fun making it, and thanks for watching. Another reason I didn't program the boost control is, as you can see here, I'm putting 100 octane race fuel because Doug asked me to do that so he can see what type of power the stock rb26 can deliver with the DR600 turbo kit. And I wanted to make sure that my car wasn't running overly rich. Going to need to up garage to drop off the R32. We're going to get some work done to the car. Get the VCAM put in, get the turbos put in, injectors, fuel pump, tune, everything. There she is. Leaving her with Doug at Up Garage. Skylines everywhere. Here we go. Say hi, Julia. Can we go down to the beach?
Hi.
Yeah.
And there's kites up there. A rainbow one. We gotta get the rainbow.
Yeah, I got him. Hold on, I'm gonna take the vlog.
Wait, Dad.
I'm gonna take the vlog. I'm gonna take the vlog on my log. That's good.
Take that.
This is Chambers Bay Golf Course area in University Place, which is only about 5 minutes away from the garage. Well guys, we are back home. Feels so good to drop my car off at Up Garage. I've been anticipating bringing it to them for quite a while, and I've been thinking about doing the VCAM for like a year. So if you guys would like to join me on that process, subscribe to the channel and I'll try to get as much content uploaded to kind of share that whole experience with you guys. I hope you liked the video today. Broke 1,000 views for the first time in one day on YouTube. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm pretty pumped. I'm on a quest to hit 1,000 subscribers. I think with your guys' help we can do it. So consider subscribing if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. I'll catch you guys later on the next one.